reports of dissent and unrest in the ranks of the military or AFP are completely contrived, concocted by the agents of chaos and anarchy in the Duterte camp. And as our Patrick De Jesus reports, the AFP remains professional, apolitical, and faithful to the chain of command and duly constituted authority of the Republic.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines asserts that it remains professional and non-partisan. This after the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte in connection with his case before the International Criminal Court or ICC. The AFP also denied any plans for military action or unrest within their ranks. They stated that they strictly adhere to the chain of command and the democratic institutions of the Philippines. The security situation remains stable, but the AFP is monitoring developments and is ready to act against any threats to peace and order. The Philippine Army echoed these statements.
It's a waste of time kasi at this point, the Armed Forces of the Philippines is very professional. The Army is very professional and we follow the chain of command.
Philippine Army Chief Lieutenant General Roy Galido added that they remain focused on their duties.
We focus more on why we exist. We exist to protect the sovereignty of our country and most especially preparation for our defense. Napaka-importante that we are always aware of the truth and the process that is being undertaken. Sa AFP, particularly sa Army, that is what ang emphasis namin. It's always our role of the chain of command.
Meanwhile, the Philippine National Police assured the public that peace and order will be maintained throughout the country. Since yesterday, the PNP has raised its alert level to heightened alert with police personnel deployed in key areas. From the People's Television Network, Patrick De Jesus, Balita Pambansa.